Hi, this time we're given the gradient function being 3x squared minus 5x at 1 and coordinates of a point on the curve 0, 3. And we're required to find the equation of the curve. As we said earlier on, dy dx is our gradient function. This is equal to 3x squared minus 5x add 1. Now this implies that y is the integral of this function, 3x squared minus 5x add 1 dx. And so we have that y is equal to x cubed minus 5 over 2 x squared add x add c. And we're given when y is equal to 3, then x is equal to 0. So y is equal to 3, and this will be 0 cubed minus 5 over 2, 0 squared, add 0, add c. So we know that c is equal to 3. So our constant of integration is 3. So with our constant of integration being 3, this is the equation of the curve written in standard form. Alternatively, we could write this in the form 2y, so multiplying both sides by 2, 2x cubed minus 5x squared add 2x add 6. You might see your results quoted in different books in either the standard form or this form, 2y equal to 2x cubed minus 5x squared add 2x add 6. Thanks for watching. I'm Alistair.